How to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and here type Telegram and then click on it and then click force stop and now clear cache and after that click force stop and now click permissions and then check all of those permissions here, just allow all of those, click on it and allow it and then just allow all of those. And after that just go back and then go to this one here. Wait, where is it? Data usage and now allow mobile data and now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed and just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.